Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video on my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about the Osaka City Museum of Fine Arts. Osaka City Museum of Fine Arts is in Tennoji Park, Osaka. It opened in 1936 and it's one of the oldest art museums in the city. The building has a stone Western style design from the early Showa period. Visitors can enjoy art in a quiet and classical atmosphere. The museum has over 8,000 works. Most of them are old Japanese and Chinese art, such as paintings, sculptures, and calligraphy. The Buddhist art and modern Japanese paintings are especially famous. The museum also has special exhibits. Sometimes you can see famous art from around the world. Since 2022, the museum has been under the renovation. It will reopen in 1925. The building will have new exhibition rooms and better facilities for everyone, including people with disabilities. Any people are looking forward to the new museum. Right now, the museum is closed, but Tennoji Park still has many things to see. You can visit places like Tennoji Zoo or Abe no Haruka's nearby. Even just walking in the park is fun. When the museum reopens, it will be a great place to enjoy art in Osaka. That's all today. Thank you. Bye bye.